foreign banging. Fuck you mean?
Yeah, but you're like over 2,000.
Man, I don't give a fuck. You just said nobody no foreign banging want it. What you talking
I didn't
about?
say. Yeah, but Mazdas are. You feel me?
I don't care. Yours are M2. This is not mine.
There's Mitsubishi.
You a B Carlo shit.
Who that?
Hey, you should have saw what?
That man and popped out.
That shit don't fit him. That shit.
Big money, man. We outside with it. Have to come fuck with my boy Nick.
Yeah.
Have to come fuck with the high desert, man. You know it.
Victorville. No limit shit.
No limit shit. We outside.
You hear me?
Everybody left?
Here.
See what it does. I'm telling you. We just tried it too with different gearing. What gearing is that?
It's the same gear, just different tires.
The fuck is it different?
Change
The other one was bigger. The other tire was bigger. That one was.
Yeah, no, take off.
But the back end was crazy.
Yeah.
You just dropped his back end.
Who you got your money on? Who you got your money on? Marlosa, who you got your money on? Damn. Yeah.
Fucking cold, man. I'm trying to gun it all the way, but I'm like, god damn.
Tell me that motherfucker ain't hot.
Huh?
Tell me that motherfucker ain't
It's
hot.
not.
I'm sorry.
Nah, that motherfucker is hot though. That motherfucker cold with it.
You can't play with him off the line.
Yeah, that big
You got a whole different.
That shit put in work. That big ball head put in work.
You want to see where it's at?
I know.
Go get that big ball head now.
Bro, it's a whole ass standard
Shit
board
came over.
versus a 2.8. You get me?
You the one.
No, I know, but I'm saying right or wrong.
Yeah, I should have, had more chance of that. No, that motherfucker go though. That motherfucker go.
I was gonna cut the wheelie bar off.
To be standard. Standard boy.
What? The takeoff now with that smaller tire?
Better.
Way
That
better.
motherfucker stupid.
That shit way better.
I'm tired. I just got off the boy.
All that bouncing.
Fat nigga problem.
Hey, this nigga was bouncing this way across. I'm like, it's too damn cold to be doing all that. I'ma just ride this motherfucker.
Is Rocky? They're not coming.
Don't bring that name up.
I should go case in the top thing. The back cabin. Or what you calling?
Everybody said Reagan. They calling the coach out.
Hey, mute.
I'll be hanging up sometimes.
What up? What up? We on Hopland. We waiting for Rocky.
I don't want to hear that shit. 6
I don't
people on
know.
here. Man, y'all bullshit. Where my camera go?
That shit
No,
up
it
there.
says off.
Huh?
Too many people got their camera? Oh, there we go. Hopland! Bitch, fuck all y'all.
We trying to get
We outside, man. What's the deal, man?
Nah, I ain't got nothing. You bring
Fuck who?
I dumped it off at that.
You better watch your motherfucking mouth.
Yeah.
Who said
That's
that?
John. That's John.
Hey, get that apple head shit. You said say what?
Who said?
DJ want to race Jacob.
Next weekend race now. What are you talking about?
It's still Sunday, pussy.
It's still Sunday. It's still 5:30.
If you want to do it tomorrow, we can do it tomorrow.
Oh, shut up.
Oh.
You know I know where you live at, so it don't matter.
Ooh. That sound personal.
Hey, El God, hey, don't y'all live across the street from each other?
Y'all stay across the street from each other? Ooh.
Hey, I don't know why I keep.
Niggas earlier. It's not going no lower than that. Hey.
No lower than what?
Then what, nigga?
What's the price?
Hey, what's up, V8? What's the deal, boy?
How much?
That's,
How much?
How much?
How much is the race?
No.
$100.
A bill.
I got that on a side bet. I'm gonna use one of my bitches' money. I got
So
that on a side bet.
when lock it in, what's the rules?
Hey, hold on. Hey,
Whoa.
Block Boys can't call out no more fades because they ain't pop up today.
Who's a block boy? Jacob?
No.
Oh.
Jacob was street slider.
Oh, he a block boy, huh? DJ a big
You hear him? That street slider over here.
Ah!
That's why y'all not out here, though.
Hey, y'all street sliders, y'all niggas only got one fast person with a bike. That's Tank. That's because you got that gas.
Shut your ass up. Where your bike at?
Wait, what?
Hey, Tank, y'all need to stop. Carlos, you not my bike. Not from a street slider.
No, he wasn't
I'm
talking.
an
That's
active
me.
rider. I'm an active racer, though.
Hey, Rocky said how much for Matthew's race?
Hey, how much for Matthew's race?
Nah, he's not with him. Rocky. I said I got a race for Matthew.
Why is he on there and not texting or what?
Who? How much does he have? How much, what is he trying to put out there? See what he trying to put out there. Then tell him like a little soft dub, gas money.
Race for your bike or something. Put
A
the
little
race on
soft
the
gas money, some soft.
Huh?
Wait, you got,
$20?
No, he got like 60 or 70.
what you trying to?
No, you just can't sleep on the light though. That's what I'm saying.
I got 40 on it.
He got 40 on it. Tell him what he got.
Yes, sir.
Tell him he gotta get here. He gotta get here in less than an hour. Ooh, get here in less than an hour. Cause it's still Sunday. On me.
Who's Matthew's bike, though?
Matthew's bike versus that.
Hang that shit up. I don't know. That's like Jacob.
Jacob on punishment. That's what I heard.
You can't. You know how to jockey.
Not from 63rd.
Yeah, you can't sleep on that light, bro. Once, not even the light. Off the takeoff, bro. You just gotta go. You gotta push off.
It ain't just one you gotta
What you talking about? That nigga's bro.
It ain't just one
That nigga's like 95,
It's not just you in the runner position. You just go no. You gotta
No, Matthew running his bike.
Way back down to my spot. Look at the sunrise. One God.
I'm not saying like that. I'm saying like maybe about like three car lanes. Maybe about 2 cars. Right?
And this one.
The race that I got from Matthew blew out. I did like a semi.
That's what you
I
had.
have nothing crazy. He crazy now. I'm saying you. Nobody.
Real shit crazy.
Now.
He said, I'll still run that shit. He talking about himself. He gonna run himself.
Shit, I'm still running.
He said, nigga, I raise my shadow if I have to.
Solo.
Hey, you know,
Active racers, huh?
That's what I'm like.
That should be your name, active racers.
That's what
He
the
said
clock
active
that
racing.
motherfucker so you can know exactly what he's
He
doing.
ducking. He see.
then he know where he at.
He ducking?
But that motherfucker,
I wouldn't put 60 on something slow.
I
I wouldn't put 60 on something slow. Oh, that motherfucker.
But he ducking though.
on hills, and he racing somebody that
Give me
know
them
how to
purple
jump
flaming
off
hot
and
Doritos.
dip. You feel me? He not racing somebody
Yeah.
that just know how to jump off. This nigga
And give
jumping
me a
off
water
and
too
dipping.
with the Red Bull.
Is he in the dirt?
That's what I'm saying. He dipping while he racing. He doing a dip.
I would do it.
Well,
And that makes you accelerate faster.
Uh-huh.
When you dipping like that, it makes you accelerate way faster.
Who is this?
Like you literally like
In
no
the
weight on the
bright
bike, no
lights.
weight. And you pulling it
while you
forward.
jumping, you feel me? You like
Right,
off the
the
bike type
police
shit.
sound.
You know.
That nigga in the dirt.
You see me? I be on that shit. I be jumping.
What's that?
Hey, so Rocky playing.
Huh?
Yeah.
All ladies shit and shit.
And then going sideways type shit.
They just need a little time for that can to kick in.
Okay, you got a big can? That's what, huh? You got a big can?
Big can.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, a little too big for my weight.
Little 30.
Huh?
Little 30.
You passed 3?
Huh?
You passed 300? You can.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, then.
My boy Red.
You passed
Come on.
310.
Manuel.
Yeah, that motherfucker.
Pleasure.
Money, Tank, Carlos.
What's going on? Pleasure.
money.
What's up, bro? You should just like So y'all telling me I swapped this motor for no reason?
Hey, what?
Huh?
You know I quarter throttle.
Yeah. Matthew.
I literally just eased into it. I was like quarter throttle, half throttle, and then full throttle.
Yeah, but we not getting no race, brother. Huh? We don't got a bike for what's his name, Rocky right now. We trying to race Matthew. Why are we gonna race the standard board versus 2.8?
Damn,
Oh,
it's
look,
crickets,
they all
crickets.
gone.
Damn, what the hell?
So tell them if I go get my bikes, can we lock up Big Bread on everything?
So look, no. Make sure that your bike is racing first, and then he got a line. He got back fades. Tech taking back fades on any bikes.
I'm not worried about a gas or beat.
Can I just say?
Tech said he got back fades on any bike.
Bro, he ain't-
Big
He
money.
already know.
Big money.
Man, if I gotta go get my bike for a race,
Oh my God, bro, we can't even get a
I'm gonna
race.
die out.
Call back. Just call back. They gonna answer.
Then shit.
Your leader something, you watching porn or something? What you trying to do? Oh, he calling me, y'all. He's calling me.
Ooh.
Hey, what's banging, man? What happened? I thought you were supposed to come race, man. You gonna call out my president and not come race?
Yeah, I was,
But a whole lot of
man, I ain't get
You don't want the race, that's all.
So you ain't want to race in the first place? Man, we got lights right here, man. It ain't that dark.
We got the cars.
We'll put a flashlight on your mini bike, man. What's up?
Tell him next call out on our turn. He can't call us out. We gotta call him.
All right, hey, look, the next call out gotta be on us. You can't call us out no more, man. We've been out here all day because you called us out and you went to the IE. So next call out on us, so you better be
Next
ready.
month. Next year, mijo tito.
All right, bet. He laughing and shit. He finna go call Brian. Brian, can I nick your nuts for some shit? No.